Yo, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be explaining the trade that I took, kind of rundown of the whole day. And I'll be talking a bit about emotions. So going into the day I was bullish, reason being high time frame structure is clearly bullish here. Kind of looked like we're in some sort of like market maker buy model on the high time frame. We also had the 4-hour gap here, which I liked a lot, our unfilled gap that aligned with equilibrium, which is 0.5, the middle of the entire 4-hour leg. On the 15-minute scaling down, we have these equal highs here, and in general we have a lot more stacked highs above than below, so it made logical sense to go up today. Obviously we didn't do that, but that's fine. Instead of manipulating lower to the 4-hour open, we actually got a 5-minute internal low sweep, right, manipulation down, and 0.62, which is OTE of the entire move from this low to this high on the 5-minute. Scaling down, the entry was here, so we got this closure not above the gap, but it was displacement out of OTE and out of this, soup and this low. This LRR made sense to get hit, so I didn't care that we took this out, so I got in. Right, bit of a discretionary play, definitely not like a mechanical inversion, but that's what you can do when you have screen time. Break even here, just wanted to hold to these highs here. On the 5-minute, we actually ended up closing as well, so I was very confident this was going to hit, but price action died out, so we just chopped, got stop break even, and we ended up failing to go to the last target, but that's fine. I've been seeing a lot of people online take losses and then blow their account, right, revenge trading, and I'm just thinking back to when I did that, when I was in like a bad state of mind in trading, and my trading flipped and completely turned upside down when I realised that the stock market has been open for decades and will continue to be, so there's no reason to rush the process. Just because one bad day appears, start, middle, end of a week, doesn't mean the next week or the rest of the week you're trading is going to be bad. You can change it around so quick, and that doesn't matter if you have good win rate, good RR. There's always going to be another trade to take, and that's the mindset I'm having now with these bad days. Yeah, I took a break even, and that's unfortunate. Doesn't mean I'm going to try and force something else, right? We hit EQ of the tie range, the 4-hour gap got hit, we got a 1-minute inversion, but I know that the price action was bad and it was low probability, and because this was such later in the day, I just decided not to take it. It just didn't make sense. Like, yeah, we had cool LRLR. I thought we would kind of be bullish here, but it's not worth it, right? There's going to be other days where there's going to be better price action, right? You need to preserve capital, and that's the most important thing in the markets. That's why 95% of people lose long term, because they don't know how to preserve capital. They don't know how to stay patient, and that's what's killing young traders. Kind of want to just go on a bit of a tangent there, just talk about it, because it's really important. People need to understand that you're not going to make it in trading if you don't control your emotions and have some sort of awareness on what's actually going on. Like, this price action is bad, people need to notice this, right? It's choppy, we're going up and down, we're not displacing in one clear direction. Here we did, but it was just choppy, right? Low probability, and I was still bullish here anyway, so I want to see the 50-minute into equal highs get hit. Yeah, that's going to be it for today. If you found this helpful or just enjoy the video, I appreciate if you could drop a like, comment and subscribe. Helps me out a lot, and it makes me happy when I see likes going up, because people are actually enjoying the videos. Anyway, yeah, that's going to be it for today, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.